Hi guys, hope you're doing good. So I am here at Scissors and Style Beauty Salon, and as you can see I have very dull and dry hair, and because of this lockdown I wasn't able to go anywhere or get any treatment done. So I am here to avail their very special package of hair spa and hair curling and everything. They have got a lot of services which you can check out on their page. So page will be down in the description, so make sure you check them out. So let me just show you my experience and I will take you through everything. So when we entered, they took our temperature and made us sanitize our hands. I got a one-on-one 15 to 20 minute consultation from their hair technician. He looked at my hair, he talked to me about what my hair is lacking and what my hair needed. He basically suggested me a treatment of the second layer of my hair, of my cortex, and that is what we did. So after a quick wash of my hair, we started with the treatment. It was not a surprise to me that my hair was so damaged because I do not take care of my hair at all, and we all know that. I got a fiber complex treatment which works internally. I have to get around four sittings, and honestly I am not the best person to guide you about treatments and chemicals and everything, which is why thankfully we have them over here. We have trained professionals over here. They are specially trained from Bombay and everywhere, and let me tell you, they have tons and tons of experience. The guy, he had so much knowledge about everything, so I'm sure if you go over there you will get the best treatment according to your hair type and the problems you are facing. Well, after a much needed relaxing head massage, we moved on to the head wash, and after that we are moving on to our haircut. So as you can see, I have really long hair. We decided to go in for a haircut where the length would not be compromised, but at the same time all the dead and split ends were cut off. And he also decided to give me layers because my hair did not have movement at all. So now after the haircut, if I do a ponytail or if I open my hair will have movement, it will flow beautifully. They are located in BRS Nagar, right next to B7 restaurant on the first floor. You can also see their page for the exact directions. After the blow dry, I decided to go in for curls because I wanted to see my hairstyle in a much better way, and curls are the way to go. And just look how beautiful my hair looks. I haven't had this feeling in such a long time. My hair looks healthy, my hair looks shiny, and this is just the first sitting, you guys. I still have to get 3 more sittings done. I'm definitely gonna visit them again to get all of my sittings, and I'm gonna get more treatments done from them. I mean, just look at the beautiful shine my hair has. A slow motion for you guys because why not? Hair looks beautiful in slow motion. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to check out their page for different offers because they do have a lot of offers going on. Their prices are very affordable and very reasonable, and they give A quality services. Make sure you check them out, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.